Hey guys, my name is Anna Turrill. I am co-business partner with Amanda Uzinski of PhoeniXL LLC, and I'm here to tell you today about my class as called Ready Set Goals Now. It's my first class as a Manifest Mentor at PhoeniXL LLC. I'm very excited to tell you about it. Starts January 8th, 2022. We will be exploring our own goal setting means and looking into our past, current, and those goals that we can set for the future. I'm really excited for this, and I hope you come. It's going to be a great start to the new year. So come along starting January 8th, 2022. Sign up under our workshops and bookings tab on our A2Z PhoeniXL.com. And now I'll show you how to book my class. If you visit A2ZPhoeniXL.com on your mobile device, this is our homepage titled Our Story. To visit our manifestation support services, you're going to want to click the menu on the left. Click on Manifestation Support Services. See Schedule and Bookings. Under Book a Class, you'll see information about reaching us. If you have any questions or would like to be put on a wait list, you can send us an email at A2ZPhoeniXL@gmail.com. Also, good to note, 3 days prior to the virtual workshop, you'll receive an email that has a link to the virtual classroom to the email address that you enter on the client forms. If you do not receive this email, we ask that you please send an email to us. Again, A2ZPhoeniXL@gmail.com, or if you need the link resent. You can enter Welcome 20 coupon code for 20% off our classes. You can see below it took off 20% off Amanda's course. Mine's listed below hers, took 20% off mine as well. My class is $8 for an hour and 30 minutes. Click my class and open the schedule of availability. First class starts January 8th. You can see there's 11 spots left at this time. I start at 11:30 a.m. My class goes till 1 p.m., while Amanda's class goes from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So if you'd like to attend both on a certain day, that is an option. Press continue to book. Our client forms will come up. You enter your first and last name. Phone number is optional. Email address is required so that you do receive that link to the virtual classroom. And then there's the second client form. Again, just enter your full name along with your city and state. And then I just have a couple questions about your current goal setting. Explanations above. Just want to best motivate and encourage you to dig deep and help you feel what it is that you're really wanting to get out of my class. So please enter your email address again at the bottom just for confirmation of where to send the link to the virtual class. Welcome 20 coupon code is already transferred. Then you can hit pay now to pay with credit card, or you can press the pay with PayPal to connect to your PayPal account to pay that way as well. I look forward to seeing you. And again, if you have any questions or need help booking my course, or of course Amanda's, either way to get a hold of us, A2ZPhoeniXL@gmail.com is our best way of communication right now. We appreciate you and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.